Hey everyone, so now I will be demonstrating our project, that is AI enabled candidate resume screening using specific entity recognition. So it is a deep learning category algorithm. So this project aims at building a software which can screen the applicant's resume and send an email alert regarding their candidature. So let's look at its workflow and flowchart. So when a user uploads the resume to the UI, so at backend specie nor model is applied, which screens the result and sends to UI, and also email alert is sent whether they are selected or not. So here is the flowchart. So when the resume text is extracted, the text processing is done, that is cleaning and tokenization. And when this is done, we apply specific entity recognition algorithm, which will be done by library called python-flask, and then which will extract the relevant entities like skills and experience, and then those skills will be compared with the job requirement skills. So when that will be done, the score will be calculated and threshold will be matched, whether how many of the skills would be matched, like that. So when that will be done, if the threshold match, the screening result will be sent to UI, and email will be triggered. So let's quickly look into the code first. So all the important libraries are imported first. So that is Flask for backend, and the routing is done properly here for all the templates rendering. So this is so the main thing is here at form.html, where the action is done at /uploader, which action will trigger the email and do the skill matching and everything. So this part does that, and there are some kind of function calls here, that is extract skill and compare skill. So that is done from here. So for now we have implemented three jobs, that is Python, AI/ML developer, Java developer, and data scientist. So for them, the at least, so skills are like this, and then when the skills will be extracted from PDF, that will be stored in the data structure of actual skills, and then it will be compared as per the applied job, and the skills match will be returned. So when that function will return and the skills match will be kept here, so the threshold will be compared here, and then we will print whether yours is eligible or not, and accordingly we will render the template of success.html and trigger the email as well. So I will show you the SMTP, that is how we are connecting the sending the email actually. So this is the ID and password, so I should not store this, but anyway. So for security we have added the TLS as well, so it is actually timer for it expires after certain minutes. So and then here the email send email function is written, uh, which sends the email as per the whether they are rejected or not. So we'll just quickly run the app and see. So it's still running, and yes, so it is running at that port. We'll just quickly go to that. I'll just copy this. So this is the home page of our project, and then we can go to apply job, and then there you can select for what we want to apply. So let's apply for AI developer. So I'll be applying with I'll be demonstrating with two resumes for now. So first resume will be demonstrating with Astos Raj Shrestha, and then second will be demonstrating with John Doe. So let's check for both of them. So first AML, and then we'll say yes, Astos Raj, and then so basically we can keep any email here. So I'll just, so actually this email we are not sending the email at this email. uh, instead we will be extracting the email. That email will be sent. I'll let you know that in a minute. So when we do this and submit, so it says your resume is submitted successfully, and you see the this information is taken from the resume, and then you can see here it will say, so these are the skills from resume and these are the matched skills. So since our threshold is of 4, he is not able to get the job, and I'll show you whether the email is triggered or not. So we'll check this email. So it was triggered. The email was sent at 10:42. Just it is 10:43 now, so it was sent a minute ago. So it says thanks for applying, your candidature is rejected. So now again we will do with we'll check with another resume. So let's check it. Let's write John, and we'll just keep any email here because I told you that we'll be extracting email from the resume itself. I mean this, this we are sending the email to this. So you see that this email is getting extracted, and we are sending that there, right? Now we'll select John Doe's resume, and then we'll hit the submit button. Okay, so we have SMTP server disconnected. This is because I told you the timer is set, so that connection won't be open for long. For security issues it is done, so I'll just again run the code. So it was for security purpose. Again we can now send it. I'll just go back and hit submit button again. So yes, it is submitted, and it's for John. These are the skills which were extracted from his resume, and we see he is eligible, and the we can check for the email. So it was sent just now 10:44. So hello John Doe, thanks for applying. So this is the Gmail given by John Doe. You can just check in his resume as well. So we see this is the email. So this is how our app is successfully coded, and we just need to upload it on IBM Cloud. So we'll be doing that soon. So again we can see in about us of our app. So we have added the flowchart as well, so that it will be easy for people to understand. And this is our team, and some information about smart interns is also kept here. So we can just navigate to home and then see everything, and go to apply job and apply for whatever you want. So that's it. This is the code. These are the HTMLs. So internal CSS is done for our HTML, which is getting rendered from the app.py, that is by routing here, and the text, I mean the PNG pictures are there. So that's it. Thank you.